So because I am using the Siteworks emulator and I'm not really out on this project, I'm going to add the device to this project manually. Now, if I was, in the real world, I would drive out there, I would get inside this geofence boundary, I would turn on my controller and connect in to, get connectivity to the internet, and I would be able to synchronize and report into this project and be able to download this data. Just because I'm on the emulator, I'm going to do this manually. So I'm going to go to devices and I'm going to add the device from my account to this particular project. So I can either add device here or click up here. I'm going to click add here. I'm going to search for the device, so I know that I name mine based off my name. So we're going to just search for it, and this Keras tablet is the one that I want to add. And I also have a couple other ones. I got my Android device that I've got set up with Siteworks. I could add those as well, but I'm just going to add this one because that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to add that device, and that'll add that device to that project. So now when I open up Siteworks and I synchronize, I'm going to be able to download this design and this project into my my Siteworks device.